Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find wallet address on Margex. To find your wallet address on Margex, first of all open the Margex application and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you're inside the home page, tap on the wallet button at the bottom of the screen. Inside the wallet page, go ahead and tap on the Deposit Crypto button or simply tap on the Deposit button at the top right. From the list of cryptocurrencies, go ahead and select the cryptocurrency for which you want the wallet address. Choose any one from the list. I've chosen BTC. You will then be able to see a unique wallet address displayed for the specific cryptocurrency. It will be labeled under Deposit Address. Tap the Copy button right next to it to copy your deposit address. Check on the little square box on the next pop-up and then click on Copy Address. Now that you've copied your wallet address, it can be used to share with the people that you want to deposit funds from. You can also paste the wallet address in the withdrawal section of your other wallet or exchange to send funds to Margex. Always use the correct wallet address for the cryptocurrency you are depositing. Example, only send Bitcoin to a Bitcoin wallet address. If you don't send it to a correct one, you will lose funds. So that is how you find your wallet address for a specific cryptocurrency on Margex. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.